Okay everyone, today we're gonna work on the 2018 Volkswagen SUV. Looks like similar to the Audi. So we're gonna start removing the cowling. First we're gonna remove the wiper blades. Sorry, wiper arms. This one has a clip over here, and then it has another one in the middle, and it has another one on this side. Then we're gonna strip this gasket halfway, and then this one is first. So you can lift this one, and you can lift this one too. Go. I'm going to continue with the driver's side. Lift it up until it comes right up. Okay, let's see what's this corner. We're going to continue with the passenger side. There we go. And it's out. So we got the bottom piece already taken off. So I'm going to continue with the rear view mirror, camera, rain sensor, and all the goody stuff we have in here. So first of all, we're gonna remove the mirror cover. Oops. Let's go get the piece before we continue. Oops, come on. Take out this piece off. Where's my screwdriver? It's right here in the bottom. Now time for the buckle. This one, it come that way. Right there, so snap back in. Goes out that way. Put this one in the back seat. Sorry. So then I'm gonna twist the rear view mirror. Okay, and then disconnect it. Disconnect the mirror. Put it on the safe side. Then we disconnect the rain sensor. Okay, now the camera has these two little brackets right here. You gotta pull it up. You can either go this way, help them out with the screwdriver a little bit, should be out. There you go. So move the wires out of the way. Then this one has the heater for the camera lens, just right here. This is the connection for the heater. So we disconnect this. So at this point, there is nothing on the way. So I can start set up the orange bat to start doing the cat out. Alright, so I'm gonna continue with the cat out tool. I already set up the orange bat. That's what I'm gonna use for this removal. And let's put the dash protection, and I'm gonna go start with the upper first. Got some pressure. Check outside, make sure everything's okay. Good. Alright, so let's keep moving. Oh, sorry. Remember to make sure you double check where the line is going cutting through. Make sure you're not cutting the wires for the camera, and very important, do not touch the lens. You can touch anywhere in the camera, but do not touch the lens. Alright, so just move out. There we go. Now we're gonna move on to the next one. Gonna cut the bottom. And I'm gonna stop right there. I'm gonna go take a look outside. Put the lock on this one. Just make sure the core is going where it's supposed to go. Like right here, it's going under pinch wheel. Just loosen it up a little bit. It's too tight. It's way too tight. It's cutting through where it's supposed to be cutting. Alright, let's keep moving. Moving forward. Check it up again. Alright, it's right on the urethane, so we're good. Let's keep moving forward. Cutting both sizes. There you go, cut the corner already, and that's the final cut. Boom, it's out. Alright, so quick set is ready. everything on the body, and it's all ready to go. So we set up on the quick set roller, laying the glass down, and set on place. Remember, we have to make sure the gap is clear and clean. And we're gonna release the top. Set the top down. Pull it all the way a little bit. There we go. The holding tape. And then release the bottom. Bad. This out. We have to pull it up right here. Make sure it's all clean. Smooth. So the other side has to go up a little bit. Try to keep the gap even on the top. Yep, so it has to go up a little bit. Right about there. The gap on the top is really important along the sides. Just make sure that everything is in there. So I'm gonna continue with putting it back together. So I'm gonna put the bottom piece first. That way I give it a little bit of time to dry. Put the glue to cure a little bit on the top. That way we can put the camera. You know, to put the camera, you need to put a little bit of force on the bracket. Alright, so I need some water. So we have to put the passenger side first. This one is first. It has a little clip right here. It clips under the fender. Right in there. Right there. And then snap in. There we go. So remember, you got a one clip right here on the bottom. And where'd it go? Right here. Drop these out. Now I'm gonna go with the driver's side. Here we go. Sure, snap in the retainer. There is another clip over here on the bottom. And then there's another clip on the middle. Right in here. Now the wipers. Remember, the one I bent is the passenger side. And this one is the driver's side. position for this wiper blade. Put the nut over here. It's kind of far away. So now let's see. This one, it goes right there. Now I need to put everything back inside. Alright, let's go do this. Alright, so I'm gonna start first, reconnect the heater for the lens. Put the wire right where it go, right there. Then run this wire through here, then right there. Okay, then we're gonna mount this camera back in place. Right there. And it's in. I have to go down a little bit. See how the windshield goes up. Okay, the windshield has to. The camera needs to go down. The way in. There you go. Now it's good. Now I'm going to push it down a little bit. Just make sure the glue is all the way smashed in. So now I need to connect the rain sensor. Boom. And now it's time to put the covers back together. So this one, it goes right there. So go. Let's put the mirror back. Twist it. Twist the mirror. Let's put the oil change sticker back in the corner. A lot of people like to have those stickers. Now put this cover back in here. And then the lower mirror portion just goes right here. So this one goes on this side, right there. This will come this way. There you go. Right there. Everything has to click. Everything has to snap. So it's all good. So now it's time to clean up. And we're done. That's how you replace, well actually that's how I replace the windshield on the 2018 Volkswagen. I believe this one is the SUV. Let's see which one is it. I'm not sure. I think it's an A-Class. Yeah, A-Class Volkswagen. Thanks for watching.